Short guide. Can you stream World Cup 2026 free with NordVPN? Yes, in some cases. Here's how and what to watch out for. 1. Where free full coverage exists. Countries offering free full or major coverage include the UK BBC, iPlayer plus IDFAX, Australia SBS On Demand, Brazil Cause TV YouTube, Mexico VIX, and others. If you can appear to be located in one of those countries, you can access those free streams. 2. How NordVPN lets you access those free streams. Subscribe or install NordVPN, connect to a server in the country whose free broadcaster carries the matches, for example, UK for BBC iPlayer or IDFAX. Then open the broadcaster's site or app and sign in or create a free account if required. Use the broadcaster's local app iPlayer or IDFAX or SBS or VIX or YouTube to stream 3 step-by-step UK iPlayer example. Install NordVPN on your device or router, connect to a UK NordVPN server. Create or sign in to a BBC iPlayer account, email, DOB, and UK postcode. Required, load the match on iPlayer and play. If iPlayer blocks the server, switch UK servers in NordVPN and retry. 4. Common issues fixes. Geo-block detection. Broadcasters actively block VPN IP switch. Servers, enable NordLynx or UDP protocol for speed, or use NordVPN's obfuscated or stealth servers where available. Account region checks. Some services require a local postcode. Simple postcode formats often work, but follow each broadcaster's rules, speed, or buffering. Pick the fastest nearby server. Use wired or Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and test before kickoff. 5. Legal and terms considerations. Using a VPN to access a broadcaster stream may violate that broadcaster's terms of service. It's generally not illegal in most countries, but there can be account restrictions or service blocks. Proceed at your own risk and respect local laws. 6. Practical tips. Test your setup. On a non-match day, have backup servers and an alternate free broadcaster, for example. Brazil's YouTube feed ready. Consider NordVPN's trial or guarantee or a short-term plan if you only need coverage for the tournament.